Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to bench blade a master cylinder. So we have our master cylinder on the bench vise, and we have all these fittings here, and you can see here they give you an idea of what they are. So this is one 10 millimeter by 1.00 thread pitch. So we're going to use 3 of these, and then we have this doohickey right here. This is a one-way check valve, and this helps prevent any air to come back into the master cylinder. So we have 3 lines that are hooked up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to need a screwdriver or an extension, put it back on here, and we're going to pump the fluid through the master cylinder in through these lines, and then we're going to bleed all the air out, and it's going to go back into the master cylinder itself, so that we can bleed any air out of here. So when we install it on the vehicle, it'll be a lot easier to bleed the air out of the whole system. Okay, so I just got a screwdriver here, Phillips. That way I can push it back into the back of the master cylinder. And then once we start to press it, you'll start to see some fluid come out. You can see some air too. So that we want to see all these hoses fill up with fluid, and as soon as we stop seeing air coming out of those black tubes here, that's when we know it's been bled enough to install on the vehicle, and then you begin tightening the 3 lines on there, and then bleeding the rest of the system at each wheel. So now we're getting flowing through all 3 now. That's good. And we'll continue this 3 or 4 times, or as many times as it needs to be bled out.